How to make roles in Discord. Hi guys, in today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to make roles in Discord. Now while viewing the channel list for your server, in order to make a Discord role, you need to go ahead and open up or log in into your Discord account. After that, it's going to take you to the home page, and from here go ahead and tap on or open up the server page and click the three dot icon from the top right hand side corner. While you're on this page, click the gear icon or the settings page, and it's going to take you to server settings. Here go ahead and tap the channel button. In this page, you'll need to go ahead and select the particular channel that you wish to make a role for and click the channel that you are on this page. After that, you need to go to channel permission on this page, and in order to add a role or to make a role, go ahead and tap on add roles. From here, you need to go ahead and select a particular role that you want to give it to, and then you can go ahead and make changes with all sort of things. Now make sure to enable all of the permissions, and that's basically how you can make roles in Discord. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.